Right now, this laptop has 8 GB of RAM, and I want to upgrade it to 32 GB. Let's start by opening the back cover. Carefully remove all the screws on the bottom. This model has 6 silver screws and 2 black ones. After removing them, gently lift the cover from the top side. It's held in place with internal clips, so using a plastic opener is recommended to avoid scratches. The first thing we always do is disconnect the battery connector to avoid any short circuit. Never pull the connector from the wires. Here you can see the 2 RAM slots. The total RAM we saw earlier was 8 GB, which means the laptop has 2 4 GB sticks installed. Push the side clips outward gently and remove both RAM modules. Now the slots DIMM1 and DIMM2 are empty. Next, we'll install our new RAM. Here is the first 16 GB RAM module. Align it properly and slide it into DIMM1 at an angle, then press down lightly. You can also use single 32 GB RAM in one slot. Now take the second 16 GB module and install it the same way into DIMM2. Remember, not much force is needed. If everything is aligned correctly, it fits smoothly. Reconnect the battery connector carefully and make sure it sits properly. Before closing the back cover, let's check whether the upgrade is working. Keep the laptop slightly raised since the cover is open and power it on. The first boot may take a few extra seconds as the system adjusts to the new RAM. Here you can see the memory size error, which is normal after a RAM change. Press Enter to continue. The laptop restarts. Now let's check the RAM inside Windows. While it's turning on, keep in mind the first startup after a RAM upgrade is always slower. Just wait a few seconds and it will continue normally. And yes, here it is, 32 GB installed RAM. Now we can safely close the cover. Place the back panel correctly, press lightly so the clips lock in, and tighten the screws without using too much force. That's it, your HP EliteBook 840G6 is now upgraded to 32 GB RAM. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more real repair shop tutorials.